Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start where grime hides. Wipe the metal with a degreaser and a microfiber so you remove oil that will gum up polish. Once done, mask painted areas and bearings with tape so compound only touches metal. Now abrade gently with 400-600 grit wet sandpaper. This levels pits and old clear coat that stop polish from working. Do short, controlled strokes along the metal grain so you don't round edges. This first abrasion creates a uniform surface. The polish can bite into. You apply a small dime-sized amount of paste or liquid metal polish to a foam pad or soft cloth. Too much paste wastes product and catches dirt. Once on, work the compound into the metal using circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes per small section so abrasives polish rather than scratch. Make sure to vary pressure, firm enough to remove haze, light enough to preserve contours. After working, wipe residue and inspect. Repeat on stubborn spots until the surface reflects evenly. You finish by buffing with a clean microfiber until the metal gleams and all haze is gone. This step reveals whether you need another pass. Once satisfied, apply a thin carnauba wax or spray sealant to lock in the shine and delay reoxidation. If you see streaks or dull rings, make sure you removed all polish residue. If not, re-abrade very lightly with finer grit and repeat polishing. For persistent pits, consider a metal-specific rattlecan clear coat as the final protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.